Ma'am, yesterday we have done noun and adjective phrase, or today we have to do the adverb phrase.
We have done nouns and adjective phrase.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. We discussed it. Okay. Let's go ahead then. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. Discussed in PPT.
Okay. Means the same. PPT and the book doesn't really make a difference. They both are similar. So we'll start with adverb phrase.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshay, please read.
Adverb phrase. An adverb phrase performs the function of an adverb. It modifies the verb, adjective, or another verb, adverb. An adverbial phrase answers the questions when, why, where, how, and to what extent.
So who will tell me what is the meaning of this? I'm taking attendance also. Who will tell me what is the meaning of this? What did you understand by this?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Vaishri.
Ma'am, the first sentence means that an adverb is a phrase that performs the function of another adverb.
What
And
are
ma'am,
adverbs first? First question, whenever you get any topic, any type, you should know what is the meaning of that. Yes, Prakriti. What is an adverb? Yes, Prakriti.
Ma'am, an adverb is a word that tells you more about a noun.
Huh?
Ma'am, an
Yes.
adverb is a word that tells you more about a noun.
About the noun.
Noun. Yes, ma'am.
Prakriti. क्या हो गया तुम्हें? Adverb. Which add
Ma'am,
means
tells about a
verb,
verb.
not noun. Adverb. Noun कहाँ से आ गया इसमें? Add का मतलब क्या है? Addition. Addition to the verb. When you are describing the verb, the action word more clearly, like the girl is reading. The girl is reading beautifully. Beautifully is your adverb. That is explaining the verb. कि उसने कैसे रीडिंग करी? ब्यूटीफुल रीडिंग. नाउन कहाँ से आ गया प्राकृति? क्या होगा तुम्हें? हाँ, भूल गए सब हम. वर्ड से तो आपको समझ आता है ना कि उसका क्या मतलब है. एडवर्ब मतलब कि वर्ब के अंदर और मीनिंग ऐड करना. इट्स लाइक अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड फॉर द वर्ब. ठीक है. सो एन एडवर्ब फ्रेज basically performs the function of an adverb. It modifies the verb. Obviously verb modify hoga if I am saying he is running. He is running very fast. तो वेरी फास्ट से क्या हुआ? हमने वर्ब को जो है उसमें हल्का सा चेंज ला दिया. बट वो रन तो कर रहा है, बट वो बहुत फास्ट रन कर रहा है. या फिर एडजेक्टिव या अनदर एडवर्ब. ठीक है. सो एन एडवर्बल फ्रेज answers the question why, when, where, how, to what extent. सो जनरली जब आपका कोई एडवर्ब फ्रेज होगा, उसका वो जो आंसर होगा, उसका आंसर आप किस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दोगे जब आपसे एक व्हेन पूछा जाएगा. व्हेन डिड दैट हैपन? ठीक है. व्हाई वर यू ड्राइविंग? वेयर वर यू गोइंग? सो ही ऑलवेज ड्राइव्स विद केयर. ड्राइव्स हाउ? कैसे चलाता है गाड़ी? विद केयर. तो आपको सेंटेंस में ही एक हाउ, व्हाई, वेयर का आंसर मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ योर एडवर्ब फ्रेज. ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड? देन हियर विद केयर डिस्क्राइब्स द मैनर ऑफ ड्राइविंग. वो ड्राइव कैसे करता है? विद केयर. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? बेसिकली ड्राइव्स जो एक वर्ब है, let me just use pen. जो वो कह रहे हैं ड्राइव. ड्राइव एक वर्ब है. उन्होंने बोला ड्राइव्स विद केयर. ये एडवर्ब हो गया. So when you find a verb and adverb together in a phrase, and it is also answering a question of why, where, when, how, then that means that is a part of your adverb phrase. Clear? The policeman walked in a hurried manner. How he walked? He walked in hurried manner. Matlab jaldi. Okay. Here in a hurried manner describes the manner of walking. किस टाइप की वॉक थी उसकी? फास्ट, हरीड वाली, जल्दी. ठीक है? Let's read ahead, Lakshay.
Yes, ma'am. Here, in a hurried manner, describes the manner of
Arre
walking.
beta, why are you reading it again? Read the next one.
Okay, ma'am. Prepositional phrase. A prepositional
Phrase. See, whatever topics we do in grammar, they are always interrelated. Prepositions करे थे हमने, but now prepositional phrase वो हमें बता रहा है. Read.
A prepositional phrase does the work of a preposition. Example, he worked hard for the sake of his family. The pile of books was kept on the table.
So on the table, for the sake. These are telling you the position. They are explaining you the movement, the change that is happening. Preposition का मतलब क्या था? Who will tell me? What was preposition? Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, preposition means placing before.
Placing before.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rashi.
Ma'am, in the word only prepositions means the before positions. The word which are used before positions are known as prepositions.
Yes, before the position has been taking place or the position is given. So there are different variations also, different types of prepositions also. So wherever you find that there is a preposition coming in a phrase, it is automatically you will understand that yes, this must be a prepositional phrase. Further, when you do more examples, you read about it, you will understand better. All right. Sanya left the room when her mother called her.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have doubt in the first example of prepositional phrase.
Why?
Why the
See, if you
ma'am?
don't
Why
remember
fourth?
no, if you don't remember the different types of prepositions, then obviously you will be confused.
Ma'am, I have confused that how can the for the sake will be
Why not?
prepositional?
Why not? Prepositions कितने types की थी?
Ma'am, 3 types.
कौन से types थे 3?
Ma'am, preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of manner.
Manner. So ये क्या है? Which type is this? Go back.
Ma'am, manner.
Go back, read about prepositions again. I know you people have, but see, in grammar, you always have to repeat and revise your topic. Because sometimes it happens that हम दूसरे topic में जब वही same topic पढ़ते हैं, we get a little confused. See, what was this? But when you go back, you will read the type. In 1 minute, you will understand which type is it given. Okay? All right. Now, Sanya left the room when her mother called her. She said there is a lot of work to be done because it is time for festivities. Sanya agreed that both of them would have to work hard at the preparation. So the Sanya room छोड़ के चली गई जब the mother was calling her, and she said that there is a lot of work to be done. बहुत सारा काम करना because festival time आ रहा है. So Sanya agreed that both of them. So Sanya she said, yes, mother, you are right. And now we both have to really work hard for the preparation. Now all the groups of highlighted words are called the clauses. Why? Because if you see, when her mother called her, is making a complete sentence. It is not incomplete. When we read the sentence, because it is time for festivities, it is a complete sentence. That both of them would have to work hard at the preparation. It's a complete sentence. So a sentence that makes complete sense, a sentence that has a subject, has a verb, it is called a clause, which is the second part of your chapter, phrases and clause. Is it clear so far? Hmm? Let's
Yes,
move.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you may swim here as long as you like. Now, you people have to tell me which is a phrase and which is a clause. Raise your hand. Yes, Yashvi.
Ma'am, you can swim here is a clause and as long as you like is a phrase.
You may swim here is a clause, and as long as you like is a
Phrase.
phrase. So, how many say it is right? Raise your hand. Just raise your hand who says it's right. Yes, absolutely. She is totally right. You may swim here is a complete sentence. It is a clause. And you, as long as you like, is an incomplete sentence. So, वो क्या है? It is a phrase. Okay. Now, you remember हमने dependent and independent and dependent clause करे थे?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसमें क्या था? That जो फर्स्ट पार्ट, एक पार्ट जो इंडिपेंडेंट है, जिसको सेकंड पार्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, वो क्या है? इंडिपेंडेंट, आजाद, फ्रीडम. उसको कोई जरूरत नहीं है सेकंड पार्ट की सेंटेंस में हो या ना हो. लेकिन डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कौन सा है? जैसे कि एज लॉन्ग एज यू लाइक इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्लॉज, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, सॉरी. अगर वो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस नहीं होगा तो द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज इनकम्प्लीट. ओके. सो दे से दैट इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज और जब डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज टुगेदर आते हैं, दे मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. सो हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई अ क्लॉज? सो क्लॉज को हम आइडेंटिफाई, सर्च कैसे करेंगे इन अ सेंटेंस? अ डिपेंडिंग or subordinate clause begins with a subordinating conjunction. Look for any of these conjunctions. जहां पे आपको ये conjunction, ये टेबल में जितने वर्ड्स हैं, जिस सेंटेंस में आपको ये मिले, समझ जाइए that is your dependent clause. ठीक है? जैसे कि they have given an example here. If the sentence does not have a dependent clause, assume that in the sentence. और अगर आपको लगता है that sentence में it does not have any dependent clause, कोई नहीं मिला आपको जो ऊपर दे रखे हैं, then that जो होता है, that word in the sentence is also considered as a dependent clause. It's a kind of a hint. So I watched a movie before I went back home. So before is what? Before is what? It is that conjunction which is a dependent one. ठीक है? अगर ये नहीं होगा तो क्या है? आपका जो second part है, it will be totally incomplete, and the first part will also is kind of dependent. I watched a movie. Fine, this is complete. But before I went back home, it is that conjunction that is connecting the two clause. ठीक है? Same way in the next sentence, he had to take an appointment with the doctor. First clause which is independent. इसको किसी की support की जरूरत नहीं है. Because is a conjunction जो connect कर रहा है दोनों clause को. He had fever. Is it clear? Till here?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Next are the three types of clause. The way we had different types in phrases, we have some types in the clauses. Let's have somebody to read. 1 second. Prithviraj, please read and put your camera on. दोज पीपल जिनके कैमराज ऑफ हैं, जो रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप उनकी अटेंडेंस जब मैं लास्ट में लूंगी, आई विल मार्क यू एब्सेंट. Yes, Prince, please read. Prince, are you listening? Read. What is the matter with you people? Prince, read, unmute yourself. ये आवाज नहीं जा रही क्या? Rashi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Then
voice is coming.
you read, Rashi. Prince को भी remove ही कर देते हैं class में. He's not interested. चलो.
Noun clause. Subordinating conjunctions are what, where, why, how, when, who, which, whose, if, whether. Function. Does the work of a noun in the sentence has a subject and predicate? Ask what to the main clause to identify it. Examples. I wonder how you are dealing with the situation. They informed me that they would be arriving tonight.
So noun clause, they are telling you that क्या subordinating conjunctions आपको मिलेंगे. Conjunctions वो words होते हैं जो दो clauses को जोड़ते हैं. That one word. तो वो word क्या होते हैं? Like what, where, why, how, when, who, which, whose, if, whether. अगर ये वाले conjunctions हैं, so we can say it might be a part of a noun clause. Then what are they saying? That the function does the work of a noun in a sentence. और इन sentences में आपको ये वाले subordinating conjunctions जो है will act like a noun in the sentence. Has a subject. इस sentence में subject और predicate दोनों होंगे. And ask what to the main clause to identify it. जो main clause है, जो first clause है, उसको आंसर करने के लिए, उसको फाइंड करने के लिए व्हाट का आंसर आपको मिलना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज योर एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव्स? Ansh, can you tell me what are adjectives?
Ma'am, adjective means question words.
कौन से वर्ड्स?
Question word
उसका क्या मतलब होता है?
like who, whom, which, what, ever.
कहाँ दे रखा है? ये तो क्लॉज की बात कर रहे हैं बेटा. मैं आपसे पूछूं एडजेक्टिव्स होते क्या हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स का टॉपिक पढ़ा हुआ है ना हमने, पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ा था
Yes,
ना,
ma'am.
6th में भी करा था
Yes,
हमने.
ma'am.
तो व्हाट आर एडजेक्टिव्स? यस लक्ष्य.
Ma'am, an adjective is a word that describes a noun, a verb, a phrase, or a clause.
Totally right. Adjective are the basically the describing words जो noun को describe करते हैं clearly. ठीक है? So who, whom, which, whose, that, where, when. ये जो relative pronouns हैं, they nouns and what are the function? It qualifies the noun or pronoun in the main clause. It has a subject and a predicate also. And इसमें जो question ask होगा वो होगा with the words like which, who, जो main clause है उसमें से. ठीक है? जैसे कि the example is the lady who is wearing a green sari is my aunt. Which aunt? The one who is wearing green sari. So which का आंसर मिला? Who is wearing the sari? Who is wearing the green sari? My aunt. Then the house I grew up in was built by my grandfather. It was built by who? By my grandfather. ठीक है? So this is your adjective, and again, don't feel that ma'am हमें नहीं समझ आया. When you do the exercise, ना, you will quickly understand. Yes, Rashi, you want to ask something?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, like in the first example, there is given a green sari, which describes, so it is an adjective. But in second sentence, what is the word which is describing that I grew up?
See, आपको अभी भी पहले बताया था, अगर आपके पास जो आपको कंजंक्शंस दिए गए हैं, अगर वो सेंटेंस में नहीं है, तो द वर्ड दैट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ योर कंजंक्शन. हो सकता है कि कोई वर्ड ना हो, बट दैट अगर है तो दैट ऑल्सो वर्क्स एज अ कंजंक्शन. ठीक है? द हाउस दैट आई ग्रू इन, इट इज अ कनेक्टिंग वर्ड, was built by my grandfather. So that is one word, THAT, जो आपको अगर कोई कंजंक्शन नहीं मिला, अगर वो है कंजंक्शन that means it is again solving your purpose. ठीक है? It is connecting the sentences. Adverb clause, subordinating conjunctions, because, while, if, so, although, and इसमें हमें क्या ध्यान देना, that modifies the verb. Adverb का मतलब ये होता है जब हम verb के अंदर और meaning add करते हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ changes लाते हैं. Adjective या एक और adverb के साथ हम एक और adverb लगाते हैं in the main clause, जो main sentence है. And इसमें भी एक subject और predicate जरूर होगा. ठीक है? So clause में you have to remember the one common thing in all three types is subject and predicate दोनों में definitely होगा. Okay? Let's do the exercise. कौन कराएगा exercise? I will just watch you people how you will do the exercise. Who will ask the questions from each other? Okay, Rashi, let's do it.
Let's exercise. Identify the main clause and subordinating clause and state the kind of subordinating clause in the sentence given below. First, I wonder who was the man in the funny hat. Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Rashi, it's your decision. You have to ask somebody.
So, ma'am, can the people raise hand?
Yes, yes. You can see whichever student you want to ask.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, Ansh.
Ma'am, who is the adjective clause?
But there is no word like who is. It is I wonder who was the man in the funny hat. Even
Able to decide?
yes, Vaishvi.
Ma'am, I wonder who is the main clause, and the man in the funny hat is the subordinating clause.
See, the question is identify the main clause. पहले तो main clause ढूंढो, then and subordinating clause ढूंढो, then state the type, किस type का subordinating clause है. So there are three parts of it. Read it again.
Ma'am, what do I read? The sentence?
Let them read now. You can ask somebody else to read it also, Rashi.
Yes, Lakshya.
Reading आपको नहीं करनी.
So the main clause is man in the funny hat and subordinating clause is who.
Ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Rashi will tell you, na, but I will not decide. She is taking.
But ma'am, the correct answer,
बताओ.
can we know the correct answer?
बताओ. क्या आंसर होगा correct?
I wonder is the main clause. Who was the man in the funny hat is the subordinating clause and it is adjective clause.
Yes, you're right. Anybody
So
has a
second,
different answer? Anybody?
Ma'am, I have the same answer.
Same answer. Yes, you're right. It is uncertain whether he will come. बताइए इसमें क्या होगा?
anyone else or raise hand.
Yes, anybody can raise hand.
Yes, Anir.
Okay, the main clause it is uncertain, and the subordinating clause is whether he will come.
And the type?
And this type of this
Clause.
clause is adjective adverb clause.
No. Anybody else?
Anyone?
What type of clause is this, beta?
Yes, Ma Fatima.
This is noun clause.
And why
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
a
I
noun
also
clause,
think
Fatma? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it a noun clause?
Ma'am, because here it is written whether, and it is the example of noun clause.
Excellent. Very good answer. Let's go ahead. Please do this
third
exercise in your book, okay? Don't forget to do it in the book.
हाँ?
yes, ma'am.
Rashi, chalo beta.
छोटे आ रही है क्या? मेरी क्लास चल
That
रही है.
that woman
क्लास चल रही है
whom
मेरी.
we met yesterday is our new teacher.
15 मिनट 10 मिनट रुक सकते होगा.
Who is talking?
हेलो.
Ma'am, Lakshmi.
Mute yourself now if you're talking to somebody else.
हेलो.
Why are you disturbing the class? Yes, Rashi.
Anir, you have raised, so tell the answer.
Rashi, sorry, it's by mistake.
Ma'am, can I tell mine because no one has raised?
That woman, no, somebody has raised the hand. Fatma se पूछो.
Yes, Ma Fatima.
That woman is our main clause, and whom we met yesterday is our new teacher is a subordinating clause.
And type?
Anyone else will try?
Ma'am, type is remaining.
The type is adjective clause.
That is right.
Yes, ma'am.
But what about the two parts of clause? I think there is something wrong in that. Rashi, आप बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, same answer. That woman main clause whom we met yesterday is out new teacher is subordinating clause and adjective clause it is.
Ma'am, my answer is different.
Tell me, Lakshay. Yes,
Ma'am, the main clause is that woman whom we met, and subordinating clause is yesterday is out new teacher, and the type is adjective clause.
yes, perfect. ठीक है.
But ma'am, whom
That
is the conjunction?
That woman will be your actually the. I feel that
Main
Rashi is
clause.
right. That will be the main clause, and it is yes, it is an adjective clause. He narrated an incident that had happened yesterday. So, in this one, Prakriti, give me the answer. Prakriti, answer.
Ma'am, he narrated is a main clause, and that happened yesterday is a subordinating clause, And ma'am, it is the type of subordinating clause is adjective clause.
Very good. Close नहीं होता, clause.
Clause.
Good. Next, the people cheered when the soldiers returned safely.
Yes, Shreya.
The people cheered is the main clause. When the soldiers returned safely is the subordinating clause, and the type of clause is adjective clause.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I also have the same answer.
ma'am, I have slight different.
Ma'am, I also have different.
Ma'am, I have same answer.
Anyone else? Yashvi?
The people cheered is the main clause. The soldiers returned safely is the subordinating clause, and it is adjective clause.
Ma'am, same, but it is adverb clause according to me.
So it is adverb clause only. I have also written same.
Ma'am, what will come? Ma'am, you are on mute.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was saying the main is the people cheered, and when the soldiers returned is the
And
second one.
subordinate. Huh.
And what is the type?
Adverb.
Adjective clause. Sorry.
See?
Adjective clause, ma'am.
Adverb or adjective?
Adjective clause.
Adverb, ma'am.
Adjective clause, ma'am.
Because, ma'am, in adjective clause and adverb clause, both there is when included in it.
But there is another thing that you have to see now. The question. Are you able to
But
get the
ma'am,
answer?
but ma'am, adverb means the verb which is adding. The safely is verb and safely is adverb. So adverb clause will come.
The people add exactly adverb ही आएगा. You're right, Rashi. It will be adverb type of clause. You're right. एक बार इनको समझाओ कैसे आएगा adverb clause. I don't think they have understood.
Safe is a verb. Adverb means addition of verb. So safely is an adverb. Adverb clause.
Safely is an adverb, and what is the verb in the sentence? Returned. Returned.
Yes, ma'am. Return.
Returned is the action. ना verb क्या होता है? Action word. Returning is an action. Returning safely is an adverb. समझ आया? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's do the next one. जो रह जाएंगे questions, please do it yourself because your breakfast break will start in I think 4 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead.
Question second. Combine the two sentences using subordinating conjunction or relative pronoun and rewrite the sentence. First, the student is hardworking. He came from Indonesia.
See, first of all, you need to understand the question. Combine the two sentences using subordinating conjunction. So, आपको दो sentences दिए हैं first में. The student is hardworking, full stop. He came from Indonesia. So, दो sentences दिए हैं. You have to join these two sentences and you have to use a conjunction. So, what type of conjunction will be used? You have to think and write. Okay. So, first one, Rashi, tell me.
Will be the student is hardworking. We have to cut he and rewrite the word who. The student is hardworking who came from Indonesia.
The student who came from Indonesia is hardworking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we leave now because at 10:30 we have our class, so in 15 minutes we can do our breakfast.
But it is 10:12 ना बेटा 10:15 पे आपकी break start होगी ना.
Okay, ma'am.
So the student who came from Indonesia is hardworking. ठीक है? Next, I lost the book. It had various interesting exercises. Yes, Yashvi.
Or first.
Yes, Vaishvi.
I lost the book which had various interesting exercises.
Excellent. Perfect. The students are visiting the museum. They are seated in a bus. Nobody else is participating. Nobody else is participating. What's the problem? Yes, Rashi.
The students are visiting the museum who are seated in a bus.
Ma'am, can I?
I'm taking your attendance. Please अभी अपने आप डिस्कस करो मुझे attendance लेने दो. Rashi, Yashvi. Discuss amongst yourself ना बेटा. Prince, I'm putting you absent because camera off है.
I think
और पृथ्वीराज भी
Rashi is
because
correct.
पृथ्वीराज ने कोई पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करा जब मैंने उससे पूछा था आंसर. तिलक ने मुझे नहीं बताया कि उसने अटेंडेंस लिखी या नहीं लिखी.
मैम लिख ली.
Rashi,
Rashi, you are correct.
I think they
तिलक मुझे
are
फोटो
seated
खींच
in
के
a
भेज
bus
दे.
while visiting the museum.
Okay, ma'am.
Rashi, I think it is a different answer. The answer will be the students who are seated in a bus are visiting the museum.
Ma'am, we have to put word when the sentence ends, or we can put the word in the middle of a sentence too.
Obviously in the middle अभी भी तो आपने middle में लगाए थे.
तो मैम सब words middle में ही आएंगे.
Depends on the sentence. See.
So the ma'am
What is the
answer of
example?
which
मैंने पढ़ा ही
is
नहीं.
correct.
Which part we are at? C.
C, ma'am.
Okay, the students are visiting the museum. They are seated in a bus. The
Can
students
I tell?
who are seated in a bus are
Are
visiting the
visiting
museum.
the museum.
You think this is right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is right. And another thing, the questions which are left now, please do it in your book or do it in your notebook. जहाँ पे भी neatly कर सको. Don't use pen in the book first thing. So, if you have any confusion in any question tomorrow in the class or separately on WhatsApp, you people can ask me. Okay? Let's disconnect the call because you have your breakfast break. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.